What you say? What's your top speed? Yeah. 120. I got you. Go around them. We're gonna turn left at that light. We gotta turn left. Yeah. Hey. You wanna ride it? This shit's fast, Jason. Down. Can you hear me now? Look how I downshift without doing it. Look. Yeah, this bike has everything, bro. And I can upshift too, look. I go upshift too, look. This bike is sick, bro. This is one of my favorite bikes. People like this bike on online. This is like a rare. This is like where is it? Hold up. This is number 589 out of 765. There's only 765 of these. This is 589. I love this bike. It's so comfortable, bro. You don't have to do much. You just have to steer. You go up and down with your foot. You don't really have to use the clutch unless you're in this situation, right? Look, I go down, then I let go, and yeah. This? Oh, this thing? It's like a handguard. Carbon fiber too. Nah, this bike got a new exhaust, man. This bike sounds crazy. I used to Nah. I have earbuds in. I used to be able to wheelie this shit. You have AirPods, right? You don't have AirPods? Oh, nah, you gotta get AirPods. Everything sounds muffled because I have my AirPods in. Yeah, this one has some big speakers on each side of the helmet. You gotta get you one of these helmets. This is just like $1,000. It's like $1,000. You hit a red light? You need gas? No, once we get there, like once we are around the area. Okay. Then you lead on the highway, that way I don't go too fast. You want me to lead? bike is like the most comfortable bike I ever ridden. I said this is the most comfortable bike I ever fucking rode in my life. You don't feel the bumps. It's like you're riding in a car. The suspension is really nice. Bro, I love this bike. I could ride this thing all day. My bike, I'm a wheelie right now. This is sick. Play or no? Do you? Yeah?